That's Sophie.
Well, give her some more. She says nothing.
Way to go, Sophie.
That's Sophie.
Chew it up. Chew it up. One at a time. I love popcorn. Most of it goes down in the bib. And some in the mouth.
That's some going to be.
One more, Sophie? Right, and left. Stuff in that mouth. Let's wait for her to chew it up. Okay, that's probably good.
Hey, Sophie.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, perfect placement. Exactly, and that was nothing but net. Nothing but net on that last one.
Here, two more, Sophie. Which one are you going to go for?
Straight in.
One more.
Little bit of
Sure? Sophie, you sure?
Whoa. Slam dunk on that one.
Gosh, something on that bib.
I like crunching it with my hands. Woo! She discovered a whole bunch of them in her bib now.
Mm.